Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be demoing a 200-gram cake from Smoke and Alien Fireworks called Black Dog. So here we got one, two, three, four black dogs, and then you got one on top. The same one is here. But yeah, look at the description. First, 3 shots of multicolored mines to 6 breaks of gold brocade with red tips and white strobe. Oh, nice. That sounds awesome. It's 9 shots, 3 smaller bores, and then like 3 larger in the back for the finale. But we got this over there at Intergalactic Fireworks in Langhorne, Pennsylvania. Make sure you check them out. I'm excited to shoot this off. If you guys like this, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts. See you guys.